iKaizer Chiefs istarter ibuild up la elithole khona ibhola iwahlanganise amatouch ukuthi bahluleke nawo ukuyakha ibuild up till kuze kuyoba igoli ngale laba attacker khona yeah so into eshaye kakhulu nje labo cabanga ukuthi mhlambe basesema holiday kakhulu mhlambe
yeah this is the first game of the season
yeah we first game yonyaka so bagivanga le performance esibe siyilindele emidlalweni wakhona ngoba uma ngingaphosisi i-shot off target ye Golden Arrows yokuqala nqa ku second half ithathe 15 minutes ukuthi yenzeke yabona okusho ukuthi beyingekho yinhle kahle iperformance yakhona sibonile negoli leKaizer Chiefs sibonile hayi angazi noma
abanangenile walibaliwe
hayi lingenile ukuba khona iVAR iVAR mhlambe bingasho kuye ngoba ulilepo lo ogxumile maqeda kushaya ifree kick lithe icamera seyifreezile ibhola lisela usephumile idefender Chiefs lo umlungu uMcCarthy usebadlule bonke abadlali kulapho kukhona iVAR bizodobula yini besithi offside
bona ngathi offside